Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Update dock firmware and laptop BIOS so hardware negotiations work reliably. Once done, plug the dock into power and then connect the USB-C cable to your laptop. This ensures power delivery and data lanes negotiate correctly. Make sure you use the dock's USB-C port labeled for host or DP alt mode, because that enables video and high-speed peripherals. If you see charging but no display, keep going. Device enumeration can take a few seconds. Once the dock is connected, attach monitors to the dock's HDMI or display port outputs. You do this first so the laptop detects displays during enumeration. Next, plug in keyboard, mouse, Ethernet, and any USB drives to their ports. This centralizes peripherals and avoids repeated laptop port juggling. Then, open your OS display settings to arrange positions, set resolution, and pick scaling. This fixes cursor alignment and UI size. If a monitor stays black, toggle input, or reset the cable to force redetection. You finish by confirming everything works. Battery is charging, Ethernet connects, audio passes through, and USB devices mount. Why this matters? Full verification prevents interrupted meetings and lost work. Next, update drivers for graphics and the USB-C controller and apply any dock firmware. These resolve common compatibility issues. If something still fails, disconnect and reconnect the USB-C cable, try another certified cable or port, and reboot the laptop and dock. These steps clear
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.